See, so that's the parapet that saved my life. My wife was 7 months pregnant. Our son was 1.5 years. And we were in the house without any food. So I had to go out. I had no idea that it was going to flood the city. As I was walking back with the water up to my waist, when I came to the last bit, I knew I couldn't walk on the sidewalk, so I had to go to the parapet, which was sticking out only about 5 or 6 centimeters. The water pulled out most of the stuff out of my pockets, but we had enough to eat that day. When I got home, I looked out the window onto the Arno, and the parapet that I was holding on to was totally underwater. Next day, the parapet wasn't there.